Hi guys, welcome back. Today is a seed bead haul. Just a few bits that I ordered. I'm going to show you what they are. And basically I have 11 O's, 8 O's, 3mm pearl beads, and also in here is some 4mm Bicone crystal beads. So in this haul is basically a glass pearl beads, which are 3mm, and they are light aqua colour, which are really nice. And these ones are a 4mm Bicone crystal bead. I think you get about 120 on each strand, which is really good. The crystal ones are £1.50, 4mm, and the glass bead ones are also £1.50. So that's those. I have to apologise for the noise in the background. There's some work going on. I don't know what they're doing, but it's a bit of a racket, so I do apologise for that, in case it's a bit too noisy. Okay, so these seed beads, these are, which ones I do first? Frosted navy blue, that's these ones. You get 2 packs, they're £1 each. This has a little bit less in because I have used some already. I'm going to be using them for, I don't know if you remember, if you've watched my last video, I tried to make a bangle, beaded bangle, which I ran out of beads. I'm going to be attempting to do another one with these as the main part of the bangle, and then I'm going to add the blue in there as well. Okay, so that's opaque frosted navy blue, £1 each. Then you have like this sort of yellowy bead, 11 O's. And then you have the white, which is opaque white. And then you have the mauve, which is 11 O's. And then you have the, what's that one? Opaque, was 11 O's. It's like apparently like a snowflake colour. So they're nice as well, they're 8 O's. So yeah, so I had it's a very small haul, just those few little bits. I'll show you while I'm here. This is my beading mat from Bead Smith. This part of the top is the sizes of the beads. So it goes from 2mm all the way up to 16mm. So basically when you're making something, you can place a bead on these to make sure, you know, you have the right size. And it is actually very good. And at the bottom, I think I've mentioned this before in my last video, there is like a tape measure along the bottom, which goes from obviously 0 to 12 inch, just over 30 centimeters, which is really good, very handy indeed. So I thought I'd show you that. And also as well, it's actually non-slip on the bottom, so when you have it on your table, it's not going to move. It literally doesn't move. It's absolutely brilliant. I'll see if I can find the link and put it below, so you know you can have a look. But I got it on Amazon, I think. But as I said, I'll try and find the link and then put it in description below. So also as well, I got this book yesterday, which is going to be really handy. It's sort of very thick cardboard. It has sections here, 1, 2, 3, and basically you can, if you turn the page, it has quite a thick, I'm trying to show you, quite a thick amount of paper in between each section. And also it has this perforated edge where you can actually tear off if you want to tear out a page, which is really good. So as I said, it's got 3 sections. So what I was thinking was this will be handy for my notes, you know, my to-do list, my tags for my channel. You know, I will find some use for it, but I thought it was good. It was £3. It's from Pound Shop. Oh no, it was £2.50. So that was from the Pound Shop. Absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to be using that soon. Also, as well, I've been practicing a bit more beading. I've done this one. The mauve 11-0s that I just showed you. I've used those on here. 8mm pearls. A silver-plated clasp. And at the end, I've just done sort of the stitching for that part at the end. If I turn it over, you might see them better. I've used the 4mm bicones to make the sections that the pearl sits in, and they actually sit really well in there. This again was my first attempt on this pattern. When I get a bit more kind of confident in making something, then I can do a video and show you. But this took me quite a while to make because it's actually built up in layers. You do the sections with the 4mm, then you add the pearl, and then you do the embellishment on the top. And the embellishment is not all straight, so I need to have a good practice. But I know somebody that wants this anyway, so that's good. But it'd be a nice gift for them. So something that I'm not going to take apart because it is actually very, very nice. I've done it well, I think. I think it's okay for now. I do need to have a good practice though.